This is the filter. It needs adjustment. And we adjusted it, and we're going to readjust again a little later. The K&F VND filters are at the maximum level, 4K 30, 160 of a shutter speed looking through a window, and it got some color on a pale white sky. We have both filters turned to the maximum. We're going to double press so it centers and zooms straight in, and then you can see the difference that it changes at 3 times all the way up to 12 times. It starts to darken down again, and then we're going to just go up a little, too much, and down some, and then you can decide if the filter works for you. Looking through the glass of a windshield with the CPL finger on top. As we adjust, so you can see the coloring change, reflection disappears, and some density being changed. The same thing can be done via the 3 times and higher. You then see the change in color, and it's on the opposite side that we need to adjust the smaller one, and the head will be moved around some. And this is with no filters, everything in the norm, everything left as is, the shutter speed on auto. This is a 1/4 black mist filter. It's a diffusion filter for low light and performance. This is daytime. They give you a softness during the day. We have color in the sky according to the screen, but it's still in the pale white. As we zoom in, you get to see what it looks like. What we can do is try to slip them off while it's on. And we're taking them off, and then we'll zoom on out for you. Well, I started off like this, and I'm ending like this. And the thing is, it's up to you if you want K&F filters.